Hisense XR10, the ultimate 4K triple-laser home cinema projector. Hisense XR10 is Hisense's new flagship home cinema projector for 2026. Designed to deliver premium, large-screen entertainment with extremely high brightness, advanced optics, and immersive audio. Officially unveiled at CES 2026, the XR10 targets enthusiasts who want a true cinematic experience, at home without compromising on daytime viewing performance. Powered by a triple-laser RGB light engine, the XR10 combines 4K UHD resolution, 6,000 ANSI lumens brightness, optical zoom, lens shift, Dolby Vision support, and a premium Devialet-tuned audio system. Hisense describes it as the apex of projector technology, aiming to compete with high-end laser projectors from brands like JVC, Sony, and XGIMI premium design and optical engineering. One of the standout features of the XR10 is its 17-element all-glass lens system. Unlike cheaper plastic lens setups found in many projectors, the XR10's premium optical system is designed to maintain image sharpness, color consistency, and brightness over years of use. The projector also includes 7-level adjustable iris system, optical zoom, horizontal and vertical lens shift, advanced quad-camera AI setup tools, liquid cooling architecture. Hisense claims the liquid cooling system improves thermal efficiency while reducing operational noise, allowing the projector to sustain high brightness during long viewing sessions. Stunning 4K triple-laser picture quality. The XR10 uses a true RGB triple-laser light source capable of producing exceptionally vibrant colors and deep contrast. Key picture features native 4K UHD resolution, 3,842,160, 6,000 ANSI lumens peak brightness, 6,000 to 1 native contrast ratio, up to 60,000 to 1 dynamic contrast 118%. BT, 2020 color gamut, coverage Dolby Vision HD, R10 plus HD, R10 HLG IMAX enhanced support. Projection size from 65 to 300 inches. The projector's high brightness makes it suitable not only for dark home theaters, but also for bright living rooms and gaming spaces. Hisense says the redesigned optical path minimizes light loss, resulting in sharper and more color-accurate images. Gaming features. Gamers also get premium capabilities on the XR10, including HDMI 2.1 support, LLM auto low latency mode, high refresh rate support, HR240 gaming mode, low latency processing. These features position the XR10 as a serious large-screen gaming projector capable of handling next-generation consoles and high frame rate PC gaming. Smart features and connectivity. The XR10 runs on Hisense's Vida Smart TV platform with built-in streaming apps and wireless connectivity. Smart features: Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, AirPlay 2, Miracast voice control support, connectivity options, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.42 times HDMI 2.11, HDMI 2.0, USB 3.0 ports, Gigabit Ethernet EARC support. CEC compatibility. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 makes the XR10 one of the first premium projectors to adopt the newest wireless standard. Devialet audio system. Hisense partnered with Devialet and Opera de Paris to tune the XR10's built-in sound system. The projector features 2.1-channel speaker system, dual 8 speakers, 1.5W integrated subwoofer, Dolby digital support, DTS virtual. This allows the XR10 to function as a complete all-in-one home cinema solution without requiring external speakers immediately. Full specifications. Feature specification: resolution 4K UHD, 3,842,160. Light source RGB, triple laser, brightness 6,000 ANSI lumens contrast. Ratio 6,000 to 1 native dynamic contrast up to 60,000 to 1. Color gamut 118% BT, 2020 projection size 65/300. Throw ratio 0.84 to 2.0 to 1. Lens features optical zoom plus lens shift, HDR support, Dolby Vision. HDR10 plus HDR10 HLG Smart OS VIDA OS Audio 2.1 channel Devialet 5.5 Bluetooth 5.4 HDMI 2, HDMI 2.1 plus 1 HDMI 2.0 laser lifespan 25,000 hours 3D. Support Yes Gaming features ALLM. HR240 cooling dual-channel liquid cooling price and availability United States. The Hisense XR10 has an official MSRP of $6,999.99 in the US, however. Early pre-orders launched with a discounted price of $5,299.99, including a free HT Saturn 4.1, 2 wireless audio system bundle. Expected U.S. retail availability, mid-May 2026. Available via Hisense USA and select AAV retailers. Australian pricing has been announced at $9,999 Australian dollars. Launch date, May 14, 2026. European pricing includes UK, £5,999, Germany, €4,999.